Judge Vanderbeek Court is now in session. Judge, this is case number JVB 1051, Casey case.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You may be seated. Okay, Mr. Casey, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
I need some money, Judge.
I do too. So what does that have to do with me?
I got 5 kids, and I get paid.
Okay.
In a tense courtroom, Mr. Casey, a dedicated father of 5, pleads his case before the judge. His voice carries the weight of single parenthood as he describes the daily struggles of raising his children alone, fighting to make ends meet, and seeking financial support from their mother. His words draw a vivid picture of sacrifice and hardship, and the judge listens with a seemingly sympathetic ear. But as the hearing unfolds, cracks begin to show. Questions grow sharper. Details don't quite add up. Is Mr. Casey truly the overwhelmed sole caregiver he claims to be? Or is there more to this story than meets the eye?
If I gotta raise them by myself, you know what I'm saying?
Let me help you out.
Yeah,
so you want some child support for the 5 kids you're raising by yourself?
No Section 8, you know what I'm saying? I'm doing this myself.
Okay,
Yeah.
got you.
Because I'm a good person. I'm a good person.
Where are the children's mom?
Guess good as mine. You know what I'm saying? Hey, she got served.
Right,
You know?
she did.
Like that movie? She got served. She got served.
Okay.
Yeah.
And I see that she did get served, so we can move forward with whatever it is, that you want to do with placing her on child support.
Yeah.
All right.
Don't y'all have what like that default stuff?
Yeah, you can do a default. Definitely, she was served. So yeah, we can move forward and do a default.
Can I ask for?
As Mr. Casey pushes for child support, the foundation of his case starts to crack. He insists the mother was properly served but never appeared in court. Yet when pressed about her income, his answers shift. One number, then another, each contradiction chipping away at his credibility. The judge leans back, uncertainty flickering across their face. The courtroom holds its breath. Is Mr. Casey being completely honest, or is there an unexpected twist waiting to unravel this case?
Okay. I do. Yes, Judge. Yes,
okay.
ma'am.
So,
yes, Your Honor.
Let's go ahead and wrap this up. How much money does she make a year?
45.
Okay.
47.
Is it 45 or 47?
Probably about 90. 45, 47, 90.
You obviously came here to waste my time.
No, I came to get paid.
Okay, so which one is it? Is it 45, 47, 90?
All of them. Sometimes you get 45.
You know what?
Sometimes you get 47.
I'm going to ask you one more time,
Sometimes you get 90.
and I'm not going to ask again because my patients are wearing very thin. How much money does the mother of your children make?
Your patients are wearing thin?
As Mr. Casey falters under questioning, Judge Vonab's patience wears thin. His shifting story and lack of concrete proof crumble under scrutiny. With a sharp tone, she cuts him off. Speculation has no place in her courtroom. Then comes the final blow. In a swift, decisive ruling, the case is dismissed. But before he steps away, the judge delivers a stern warning. Bring real evidence next time, or don't bother coming back.
We're going to go ahead and dismiss this case.
Whoa, Judge. I'm sorry.
No, well, you know what? I am too.
I had a long day. Look, Judge, I even tried to bring my cup in here. They wouldn't let me.
Right, and it needs to go back under the table where you had it.
Judge, it's been a long day.
It has been a long day. I've heard cases all day, you came in here to waste my time.
Please don't dismiss my case. I need some help. These 5 kids are killing me, and I work hard. And
you know what? I work hard too, and you're going to work even harder going back to refile this case because I'm dismissing it today. Obviously, you came in here to waste my time. You couldn't even be honest about mom's income, and I was willing to move forward with a default because she was properly served and did not show up. But I am not going to do that until you come in here and are willing to be truthful. Yeah. So if there is nothing further, your case is dismissed. You are free to leave.
I'm willing to
Thank you.
I don't want to leave yet. That's how we're going to do it.
Judge Vonab takes command of the courtroom, laying down a firm lesson on default judgments and the absolute necessity of honest financial disclosure. In Texas, skipping court after being properly served isn't just risky, it's a guaranteed loss. No argument, no second chances, just a swift and final ruling. But she doesn't stop there. With a sharp warning, she makes it clear. Manipulating income figures, whether inflating or concealing, comes with serious consequences. This isn't just about fairness. It's about legal responsibility. This isn't just another verdict. It's a wake-up call. With unwavering authority, Judge Vonab pulls back the curtain on the system, showing why honesty isn't just expected. It's the only way forward.
Witness in the Casey case. Well, Dad had a legitimate reason to get a default. What is a default? Remember, in Texas, if someone is served to participate in a lawsuit and they do not show up to court, the court can move forward with whatever the person who brought the case before the court was asking the court to do. Well, this one was a little interesting, right? So when Dad shows up asking the court to place Mom on child support, he didn't know what her income was. He gave 3-4 different numbers. You have to know this information in order for the court to be able to assist you in what it is that you wanted. So that's the reason you saw that his case was dismissed, and maybe at a later time he can come back, and then at that time, hopefully, he has financial.
As the gavel falls, one lesson stands above all: honesty and preparation. Win cases. Judge Vonda B delivers her final words with sharp, no-nonsense clarity. If you want to succeed in court, there's no shortcut. Truth and preparation aren't optional. They're essential. No drama, no fluff, just reality. This wasn't just another case. It was a front-row lesson in how the truth, or the lack of it, can shape a courtroom outcome.
We're going to go ahead and dismiss this case.
Whoa, Judge. I'm sorry.
No,
I'm
well,
sorry.
you know what? I
Judge,
am too.
I had a long day. Look, Judge, I even tried to bring my cup in here. They wouldn't let me.
Right, and it needs to go back under the table where you had it.
Judge, it's been a long day.
It has been a long day. I've heard cases all day, and
sorry,
you came in here to waste my time.
Please don't dismiss my case. I need some help. These 5 kids are killing me, and I work hard. And
you know what? I work hard too, and you're going to work even harder going back to refile this case because I'm dismissing it today. Obviously, you came in here to waste my time. You couldn't even be honest about Mom's income, and I was willing to move forward with a default because she was properly served and did not show up. But I am not going to do that until you come in here and are willing to be truthful. So if there is nothing further, your case is dismissed. You are free to leave.
I'm willing to
Thank you.
I don't want to leave yet. That's how we're going to do it.
And before the screen fades to black, one final note. Subscribe for more real cases, raw legal showdowns, and insights that matter. Whether you're stepping into court or watching from the sidelines, this is your inside look at justice in action.
I wanted to go over what you all witnessed in the case of Bishop versus Sanchez. So the child had been living with Dad this entire time. Mom didn't want the kid. Ultimately, she didn't want to pay any type of child support. Well, that's absolutely not how it works. Whomever the child lives with, that is considered the custodial parent, and they are entitled to receive child support. It does not matter if the non-custodial parent feels like they don't want to have anything to do with the child, they don't want to visit with the child. That still does not negate their child support obligation. Do you know of anyone who's experienced a similar situation? Be sure to subscribe to our channel and make sure you comment below. You never know, their story may end up as a scenario on our show. After all, these kids aren't raised on air alone. Support Court with Judge Vonda B.